Oh, for Pete's sake.
The movies and television, toys, t-shirts. But really the legacy goes beyond these things because dinosaurs teach us about evolution and about survival. And they challenge us to learn about their mysteries. We are, in fact, only on the threshold of knowing about these beasts. They're still locked in our imagination. They're not creatures from museums and fossil beds. They're made of more than rock and sand. They're eternal because they live in our imagination.
Max? Oh, Max. James?
Please turn that thing off.
I don't know if it's working or not, of course, that's all the big problem. Just a second. Max? Hi, Max. That's right.
That's it. That's good.
James?
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
There's not much percentage in that. He's Max?
Done, huh?
I don't know if the thing's working or not, but we keep trying. It's a nice little one.
We are going to be all stars tonight.
No. There are awful people who keep leaking pictures of people when they least expect it.
Oh, please don't do that. The kitchen is a terrible cooking, Dick.
Good.
Is it on?
The competitors ride as many waves as they want and are judged on their best 5. In today's event, they're not competing for money, so there must be some other
please.
Almost automatic, huh?
Yeah.
I get another shoe or do
One of them will get it.
Same sensation, I'd say, from jumping out of an airplane with
Ready.
a parachute.
Chuck Manley is certainly one of the most radical predators on the beach.
Wow, very nice.
From the sand,
Very
to
good.
the water, off the wave and back onto the sand. It just gives you the willies.
Beautiful. It's precessing a little.
String's still on it, though.
Oh, the string's still on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not the way it's supposed to be. Beautiful. The string's still on it. I think the string is unbalancing. Now you got it. Still precessing a bit though. When you grab it, it's dead.
That's wild. Skimboard.
Happens on the shoreline.
See? Hello. Hi, Max.
Is that CC?
Oh.
Take it easy.
Hi.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Go boom!
Well, I can't tell you how excited I am. You know, I've got all the young kids.
Max, go to Jessica.
They're all 22 and I'm the old man, so it makes it a hell of a good day.
So that's it. Was it Krytonic? Was it Rad?
Agro, Hawaiian style, fried, potato shreds.
Will Smith Jr. in 1936 and a half. at 6.5.
It was British.
And when the children are born with dark hair, just wait a little bit because they become blonde.
In fact, no one can.
Do something educational.
Time to mellow out. Yeah, we're mellow.
The difference between success and failure.
Granddad.
Yeah. What, James?
Let's go. I got food for you. Feed.
What?
Come on.
Get one of those things for making a plane when we were at the office.
Hey, baby. You want to eat something? Are you starving?
Dad,
Yes.
can you get that better?
Yeah. Hold these. Where'd your friend go? Oh, flower. You see the flower?
Step on the flower.
Flower. And the doorbell. Yeah, you like that, huh? Ignore the doorbell. Scream. You wanna hit it again? Flowers. What's those flowers? Much more food? That's real food. Yeah, eat that. Not that. That's not food. Okay. Oh, Max, watch this. Max, want to spit?
Here we go.
Should I get him to spit, Dad?
Max, here, take this. Max, I have a cold. Achoo! 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 Huh? Achoo! 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 Max, Max, quickly! Achoo! Achoo! That's good. Oh, thank you, man.
Hi. This is Max, Leon. Sorry, I didn't see you from it. And my son Richard. Let me introduce Richard. This is Richard Wilson, Leon Heisel.
Where are you from, Richard? Boston.
Well, and headed for Houston.
Oh, I see.
This is their 6th year, and they are finally coming back. They went from Pasadena to Boston.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh, great.
Leon is president of Belfont Hospital.
It's be nice and warm in Houston. Oh, yeah.
Didn't they pick a great time in August on a heat
I
wave?
know it.
Well, once his wife gets used to it, it'll be okay.
Yeah, that's it. Well, it's good to meet you. Nice meeting you. And frankly, I'm not too worried, right? In Boston, we had no air conditioning. Yeah. And we had 93 degrees in Boston. Yeah, well, that's 98 in Houston with air conditioning is bound to be better. I have a son that lives in Austin.
Oh, yeah, that's right, I remember that.
We got to come in Houston 3 or 4 times. It's always nice and warm. The key is to go in February or March.
We'll be there then.
Take care.
Max.
Yeah, just watch this, man. Look at the, you got.
Be careful now, Dad.
Thank you, Matt.
Yeah, to make a fence out of this. So, leave a blanket.
Max? Hi.
Thanks, baby.
I went in a radiant. Oh.
See the feet? See no feet. See the feet? Hey, Max. Max. Max, baby. Let's go this way. This way. You want to see Granddad? Look at that. There's a camera. There he is. Yeah, right there. Let's go.
Everyone thought I would say Flint, but no, I said Belgium. Now this says French fries, and it cries out for France. You're all saying say France. I'm not going with it. I'm going
that guy.
with Belgium.
Shadow Stevens.
I disagree.
See a long time on the same show.
He got one right. Circle gets a square. Linda, pick a square.
Jim, thank you.
You're such a proper guy. Oh, yes, definitely indeed. Etiquette expert Tish Baldridge says the worst thing you can do in a conversation is spread malicious gossip.
Look at this.
Lowest possible price on your brand new Chevy truck, right? Well, right now, bring the Chevy. I'll tell you, a Chevy truck for only $62.99.
Guys, that was my stool that Max was carrying.
That's remarkable.
Yes.
After all these years.
That's right, gnarled and old, but still there. It was green when I carried it around. 400 Virginia Avenue and 1132 Hamilton Boulevard. Of course, I was 9 then, so I didn't use it so much. Max.
Oh, you got a piggy, huh?
That's it. That's it. Thank you, man.
Sorry. She realizes the sensitivity of the microphone.
Oh, he dropped his piggy.
Food. Ah, this is okay.
Is this a good idea?
Just a second, Rick.
How's the seating going to be? How's the seating?
Oh,
Let Mother's sit on that side, I'd say that's all I could say.
what?
Mother's at that side, right?
I don't know. Let's see. I have to be there. You are going to be there. This is a nice dress. Mother decided no. We got to put Charlie over there. Richard here, James here, and Mike here. The two wives there.
Dinner? Where they can't get the kids?
The kids are eating before. Usually already ate.
Well, you're never going to do that. It ain't
Yes.
work.
Well, let's see.
You don't block the mothers, you never.
He's looking for.
Oh, thank you. Oh, they smell good, huh? Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, I know them. Yeah.
Wow, I thought it was another child.
I know, huh?
Here he is.
Thank you, Maria. Wow, that's nice.
Charlie, do you recognize that little fellow there?
Maria, Maria,
Yes.
please take this. I'm sorry. This thing, greed on this thing, it just goes around. Okay, thank you. I'll take it down.
Right. All set.
They have some nice
It really was caught.
Yeah, they're little tiny rice.
But I figured that way later on, once we have a house and have a guest room, we can put the dead bed in there and then start her.
Trying, finally.
Because I don't want to put her in a double bed yet.
Smells burn.
But that's something that could be functional later on.
Smells burn.
That is the cheese done.
Good. Good. You want to put it back here? Close that.
I'm so afraid to touch this oven. Every time I touch that
I
part.
know.
We better start without the rice. I'm going to go up the other one. Otherwise, we never know.
Where's the rice? In here? In here?
Don't touch it.
The cook, if you want the water off, you just take the lid off. It's so simple.
Yes.
It takes the water off. See, your vent's taking the water out, and you're...
Yeah, it's true.
Maybe don't we have a bunch of oil?
I think she would.
Wine glasses on, and let's see. One for it. Well,
I know Dave. And some food. Have some food for me?
it's been the bottleneck. This. Good Lord.
all of you.
Okay, I'm sitting. No, we have spoons, Maria. We have some spoons. Yeah.
Welcome home. Welcome. Ashland, Kentucky. I can also welcome Houston because you are not. Ah.
And the little folks come in too.
Wow.
They citizens, eh?
Hi, Mac.
Tell me. I will not stop until you tell me.
That's enough. Thanks. That one too.
I don't believe you.
There you go, Max.
No?
So the hitch has to be tightened again at every stop, but it doesn't loosen that fast. Cases of Valvoline.
Sure. Here, let me. I need to get the car. Can I have a car key?
Color. I can't see your faces. Ladies.
You're welcome, Lee. Come back.
Oh, yeah, you come to Houston, okay?
We will.
Okay, good.
Good luck, Richard.
Thanks. Thanks.
Be happy there.
Look how he upstaged me.
He did, too, you know? Completely hid your face with the camera.
Have a good trip.
Oh, I will. You take care. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
Now the kids.
All the kids are in the cab.
I was trying to get them through the windshield, but it didn't work. There's too much glare.
No, it's...
We are going to say goodbye.
There's a trucker in there.
Oh, Lee, you can rest that little devil there.
We ought to complain. Try to get some money back.
Hey, Max.
It's wet.
Hi, Max. Max.
Good night. Here, Marie, take this. Okay, you ready, Jane? We're messing around. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Now entering the space capsule is
The truck driving mama.
Lee Wilson.
Take care, Richard.
Bye, baby.
Good list, Richard.
Wave, wave, wave. We need a farewell. Wave, bye.
Max. Now we're gonna go bye-byes.
Do they know what to do? Oh my God.
What happened?
I don't think they know what to do, do you?
Go down.
Okay, here we have a miniature. We bought it in Esfahan in 1978. It has a Katam frame. Can you see that? It's made of tiny bits of metal which are put together and ivory which are put together and then polished with little bits of sandalwood in between. And this is a pretty iris plate from Nana's. I'm not sure if Nana did it or not. She did an iris picture. So this is an interesting piece. It's actually a gas light holder, or shade I should say, which came from Pop Wilson's house on North Potomac Street in Hagerstown. It's beautifully light. I'm not sure what kind of glass that's called. It was over the door of the sun porch in Hagerstown, Pop Wilson's. When we were kids. As far as I know, this was bought at Maidstone's, and these made them very special. Here's another miniature with the Catan frame. This one was bought in the United States after we came back in about 8. This is a little vase from 28 Moller Parkway.
From Portugal.
These are
from
two
my
cups
mother.
from Portugal. What is the... they're from your mother?
Yeah.
Oh, but they're our pattern.
Sorry?
But they are our pattern.
Yes, but they are the earliest.
What pattern is it? Vista Alegre, anything.
No, it's Vista Alegre, but it's
Say again?
Queluz Palace pattern.
And what do you call it in Portuguese?
We call Cozinha Velha, old kitchen, from the Eftekhari family.
Which the Eftekharis gave to us and to our dear friends Manu and Pat Eftekhari. Here's a half of a geode bottle and some books, McGuffey's Eclectic Reader, Forms and Hymns, and our own general titles. These are a bunch of steins covered, which were at 1132 Hamilton Boulevard, and we bought from Mother's. Another of the coin dishes from Iran.
Now that water is cold, you know it. So it's too cold for
And here's the old Lincoln rocker, a genuine Lincoln rocker, which we have a certificate for, which Mother did in Neva Point. The beautiful pattern there. It was my grandmother, Waldeman's, favorite, really only chair in the last years of her life, or near the last. She lived on Oak Hill Avenue, and she used to look out on Oak Hill, rocky in that chair. I saw her almost always in that chair. So we're glad to have you.
8 of them only. They are not reproduced. They are from my mother's father's home. And I just know they are very antique. And no
Oh, when? Last century?
Yes, for sure.
Perhaps earlier? Portuguese?
Yes.
And listen to the lovely music we have. And more from your mother, the beautiful Bergère chairs.
Also the table. The table is...
Right now, please, the Bergère chair.
The Bergère is only from my mother's house. That did not belong to the family. They bought in Porto Alegre, Alentejo, for their summer place in Castelo de Guide in 1942. But they were antiques. They bought them antiques.
Do you think they're French or Portuguese?
French, Bergère, style Bergère.
And beside the deed case tables, which are kind of clever.
When he died, he left to us. I would like to say one more thing about the table.
Okay.
It's one of the oldest pieces we have in this house.
Okay, and the bar with the Egyptian heads, federal.
It's Empire.
Empire.
You call federal. I call Empire.
Right.
And it's I think it's antique, and we bought in Portugal, in Lisbon, in 1979.
Right, because on the top here, we've already covered those. The painting which we bought here, and the brass candlesticks, which are from Mother's home, and the carved urn, which is from...
Stop it! Why?
The